Hello neighbors, we're back in Korea, home sweet home. And I thought it would only be right that we start off with another low carb, high energy plate. I'm thinking edamame. I mean, who doesn't love popping those little things for appetizer? Some salmon and a few other veggie banchans. Put everything together and just get a nice high energy start to the week. Boom. Pas de soleil, 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 I like because it's all green. It's like monochromatic. The original recipe is from a Japanese chef named Mark Matsumoto, and it's nice. Such cute packaging always in Korea. This one has already been boiled and then it's been frozen, so I'm gonna just de-thaw it, put it in the microwave for about a minute. That should do it. If you're using frozen one that hasn't been cooked, I would recommend putting in boiling water for 5 minutes. Then we got a handful of green beans. It's healthy and it also adds more texture to the salad. Trim off both ends. Then let's get some water boiling, a little pinch of salt. Blanch this for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, you can just scoop them out and we'll put them in cold water. All right guys, we'll chop this around 2-inch pieces. See, very soft. All right. While it may be cumbersome to some, to me, so satisfying. Bloop. Guys, how many of you guys go through edamame like it's nothing? It's so simple but so addicting. So I got around 1/2 cup's worth. I'm telling you, the combination of these two is just wonderful. And next we're gonna make a simple but delicious marinade. 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil. I'm gonna use vegetable oil. I prefer not to use olive oil because the olive taste gets too strong. But on your second or third try, I mean, you can try whatever you like. 2nd tablespoon in, and then I got 1/2 tablespoon of grated ginger. So, and then we're gonna do about a 4th teaspoon or maybe 2 pinches salt. I have some green onion or some scallions. Do like 3 stalks. Key here, chop it up real small. We'll take that. Give this a nice stir. Give it a taste. I just want a touch of more salt. Mix that in, beautiful. And we'll just give this a few minutes to come together. And while we wait, I think we need another green vegetable or fruit. I don't know what avocado is lately. We're gonna use 1 whole avocado. Lately, I've grown very good at choosing avocados. We want little cubes. Hiya! That works like 3 out of 5 times. Good, same thing here. All right, and of course with avocado, it oxidizes very quickly, meaning it'll turn brown. Just give it a few squeezes of lemon juice. And that acidity from the lemon, it should keep it from turning brown. Let's put our edamame in, then our green beans, and then our avocado. Yeah. Give this a nice toss. Oh man. Wow, this looks amazing already. Guys, at this point, you could sneak in a bite. Oh my God. You just get like a slight aroma of ginger in the back, but you get all the natural flavors. That avocado brings it together. Guys, just to finish the salad, I looked online and they had some baby kale. Free for you to use any microgreens or something that would just look green. You know, the whole concept of this one is green and tasty. Wow. Oh my God. I could totally see this being served in a restaurant. And this is like amazing. And lately, I've been craving some of my mom's recipes, particularly this eggplant muchim. We did a video back in the States, but I'll redo it because it's very simple. And also, my mom is going to be joining me in Korea for about a month, so hopefully we can get her to do some cooking while she's here. Maybe or maybe not, we'll see. I'm working with 2 eggplants. These ones are extra thick. Nice. We'll trim off the top. All right, and since this looks like a bowling ball, we should cut it in half so that it actually cooks through. Cut it one more time. We're gonna steam this. So if you have a steamer, put a lid on it and let it steam for 3 minutes. I may let it run for a little bit longer because these ones are a little bit thicker than what I thought. Oh, I think we need a little bit more time. It should go through easily. Maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. All right, that was more like 5 minutes for me. Let's give it one poke. Oh, that's good. We're not gonna wash this or anything. We're going to simply take them out. If you reach for it now and try to shred it, you're gonna lose sensation in this here region. All right, and then use your hands. You can start from the top and then just shred it into smaller pieces. If you see seeds, you can just take that out with your hands. Then let's get a squeeze bag where you can just squeeze it between your hands, whichever is more comfortable for you, and then squeeze. See all that? See how much water is in this thing? We'll detangle the eggplant pieces. We'll do 1 or 2 stalks of green onion. We won't cut them as thin as last time. Maybe like that. Add it in. We'll do a half tablespoon of minced garlic. We'll do half a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give this another taste. Oh, that's amazing. Alright guys, and then our third banchan, I'm using beets. Now, beets has a special place in my heart because I still remember when I first tried it. When we first moved to the US and our family didn't have a lot of money, we would go to like buffets a lot, and one of the early chains I believe in the US was called Sizzlers. Trust me, it's not the best food, but their salad buffet was not bad. And my dad, he would get these pickled beets. I'd never seen this before, but it looked like the vegetable was bleeding. So I remember asking my dad, 아빠, 그거 뭐예요? And he said, 조금 김치 같은데 좀 맛있네. Basically, he was craving kimchi, and this was like the closest thing. It's pickled, it's a little bit sour. From that day on, I always get sliced beets whenever I see it at a buffet or any restaurants. These came already boiled and then peeled, which just makes it so much easier to eat. But if you buy it raw, just make sure to boil it in water. I think it's better than steaming for maybe, I would say, 20 to 30 minutes. But don't get me wrong, I still like Sizzlers. Their salad bar is still very good. Funny thing, they serve these chicken wings in their salad bar. And I thought that was the best thing. You know, when you're young, you gotta have meat. And you can see why someone who sees this for the first time would think it's bleeding. It's so good. And for today's main, of course, we're gonna do a salmon steak. This is around 150 grams. Not much to say here other than pat it down so we can get it dry when it hits the frying pan. All right. Ooh, that skin looks nice. Let's get this on a medium-high heat. Just a little bit of oil. Key thing here, just wait till the oil gets hot enough. You'll know when it slides around very easily and has that little gloss. Then let's put our beautiful salmon skin side down first. Fish, when it cooks, it curls up. So if you just give it a gentle touch down. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt on top. And you'll see as the salmon cooks, it's gonna turn white. And once that whiteness comes around maybe 80% up, then it's a good time to flip. All right, you can see that the white has come up quite a bit. Wow, just take a look at that. Ultra crispy. A little bit of salt on this side as well. I mean, just look at that. Beautiful. Turn off the heat. We'll hit it with a few shakes of black pepper. And of course some lemon. Be careful. The oil might splash. Alright, just a little bit of lemon. Get that on there. Beautiful. And voila, here it is. This week's diet plate. Our crispy, perfectly cooked salmon. Some Korean style eggplant muchim. Fit in a little bit of tartar sauce and some lemon for that salmon. Simple beets that will refresh your palate. And then this amazing edamame and avocado salad. Ooh. And you know what? I think this might have to be my favorite combination so far. I could do this seriously every night. It's so good. Dig right in. Oh my goodness. Let's go. It's perfect. It's so good. Wow. Wow. Remember to portion off. Don't eat everything that you make in one sitting. I certainly want to eat this entire avocado and just eat an entire room full of edamame, but you're going to end up growing a tree trunk from your head and a big belly, and that defeats the whole purpose. But enjoy life, because dieting is a small part of it. Alright? Peace!